Steam is one of the main ways that we cook chicken. Without steam, we cannot cook. If our boilers go down, we do not run the plant. Tip Top Poultry harvests and further processes chickens for the poultry industry.
We cook the product and we freeze it and then sell it as diced meat or whole meat.
Steam at our facility is used as a form of cooking, and we also use it to heat the water to clean the plant. Our previous boilers were a fire tube boiler. Over the years, those boilers just aged out. Every year we would have to spend $40,000, $50,000 cleaning scale out of the boilers. Every 5 years it would cost $150,000 to $200,000 to retube the boilers and fix the safe ends on them.
Tip Top ended up ordering 4 LX300 boilers, an MW softener, and the Miura Connect system. We were able to add more horsepower in there with 4 separate boilers. They could run on 3 and always have a backup.
We've always just had 2 fire tube boilers, so going from 2 to 4 allows a lot of flexibility to be able to turn off, turn on. If we have an issue with one, we can pull it off, work on it, and still be able to run the facility on the other ones. That redundancy gives me a lot of peace of mind.
We got curtailed, I think, about 2 years ago, and we was using noticeably less fuel with all 4 of them. That was definitely a cost savings there.
We've gone through several boiler inspections over the last 4 or 5 years with Miura boilers, and not once have we had to clean one out for scale.
Every time they check them, they're clear as a bell. It looks brand new. We do a good job with our water. We treat the boilers good, they treat us good.
The performance of the Miura boilers, it exceeded our expectation. You can get far more BTUs in the same space than you could just a regular fire tube or a wet tube boiler system.
The Miuras have outperformed what we thought they would and still have extra capacity to grow.